between writing a personal statement and a statement of purpose is that the statement of purpose is a little bit more of a formal essay. This is where you're going to be talking more about your professional background, your academic background, your career interests, and maybe any research that you've done. It's sort of like putting your resume onto into an essay, right? And additionally, you're going to want to explain very clearly why the particular program that you're applying into is a good fit for you. So why is that an appropriate match? That's where what you're going to be covering in your statement of purpose. It's more formal. In terms of the personal statement, this is a little bit less formal. It's going to be more of storytelling here. You're going to be talking about your experiences and how they've led into your interests, right? Maybe any obstacles that you've overcome, your motivation, right? Like these are the kinds of things that you're going to want to cover in a personal statement. So it is more informal storytelling, more about your motivation, your interests, your desires, right? And any things that you've experienced in the past that may have affected those things. That's generally how I would differentiate between the personal statement and the statement of purpose.